guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun, easy, and inexpensive summer floral arrangement. I picked up this cute picture for $5 at Dollar General. You're also going to need some foam, and I picked up this foam at Walmart. And you're going to need some floral picks. You're going to need 4 floral picks, and I picked up all 4 of mine at Walmart. They are Mainstays brand. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. And I'm going to be doing a summer giveaway, so stay tuned and I'll tell you more in just a little bit. First, you're going to want to take your foam and you're going to want to hot glue it to the bottom of your pitcher, or you can use a coffee cup or a petite vase. And I just took my floral picks and I cut them all into shorter pieces. Now remember, you're going to want to choose a variety of types of flowers and different textures when you're choosing your flowers. So I'm putting this cattail in the center, and I'm going to place this flower on the right of it. Then I'm going to take one that's very similar and put it on the left. Usually what I do on the left side, I try to do on the right side, or what I do on the front, I do on the back. So I put that pick on the back, and I'm going to put one just like it or similar on the front. I try to do a pattern each time. So I'm putting a beautiful sunflower on the front. So we're going to also turn it to the back and add one to the back. Now I'm putting this fun pom-pom pick, one on the left. Now I'm going to the right side, putting one on the right. Then I'm putting one cattail on the left, then one on the right. And notice how I'm doing a pattern. I like to try to show the tags at the beginning of the video just in case you want to buy the same exact flowers and make one just like this. So if you do, I would love to see a picture of it. I am on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. So I'd love to see it. So tag me if you make any of my DIYs. I would love to see them. For the top or the center, I always like to have a little something with a little bit of height, something a little wispy and whimsical. I just love those cattails from Walmart, Mainstays brand. And so I'm just going around filling in what I do on the front, I try to do on the back. What I do on the left, I try to match on the right. It does not have to be perfect. Today is June 3rd, 2023, and I have not done a giveaway in a long time, so I decided to do a summer giveaway. So who's ready for a giveaway? I stopped doing giveaways around Christmas because I had so many people that were trying to scam others and asking and pretending to be me. I only have this account, and I will never ask you for money or your credit card information or anything like that. If you're the winner, I am only going to ask you for your address. So do not give your information out to scammers. I will have details on how to enter my summer giveaway in the description box below for you. So you'll have to let me know, how do you like this pretty summer sunflower floral arrangement? Very easy and inexpensive. And these pictures you're seeing, I'm going to link these tutorials just in case you'd like to check them out, because they're really simple and fun and perfect for summer. Also, if you're entering my summer giveaway, those 4 DIYs that you just saw pictures of, you'll need to write the 2 words summer giveaway to enter my giveaway. Details will be below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful summer.